Bone health is crucial for a quality life. While it's important to build strong and healthy bones during childhood and adolescence, but you should also take steps during adulthood to protect them. As we grow older, our bodies lose bone density. Once you reach 30 years of age, you have achieved peak bone mass. Especially women after menopause develop the risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a deadly disease that makes your bones weak and brittle. And the horrible news is, if someone in your family suffers from this disease, chances are you will also suffer from it in the future. Fortunately, many nutrition and lifestyle habits can help you build strong bones, maintain them as you age, and prevent osteoporosis. Learn how to make your bones stronger and healthier. Include calcium in your diet properly. For adults, the recommended dietary allowance is 1,000 milligrams per day, teens need 1,300 milligrams, and older women require 1,200 milligrams. However, the amount of calcium your body actually absorbs can vary greatly. Interestingly, if you eat a meal containing more than 500 milligrams of calcium, your body will absorb much less of it than if you consume a lower amount. Therefore, it's best to spread your calcium intake throughout the day at each meal. Eat lots of vegetables. Vegetables are one of the best sources of vitamin C, which stimulates the production of bone-forming cells. In addition, the antioxidants of vitamin C protect the bone cells from damage and increase bone mineral density, which known as bone density. Intake lots of green and yellow vegetables to increase bone mineralization and maintain bone health. Take enough protein. Taking enough protein is important for healthy bones, as 50% of bone is made of protein. According to research, low protein intake decreases calcium absorption and also affect rates of bone formation and breakdown. Consuming up to 100 grams of protein daily, balanced with plenty of plant food and adequate calcium intake, will lower risk of forearm fractures and significantly higher bone density in the hip, spine, and total body. Vitamin D and vitamin K. Vitamin D and vitamin K are extremely important for building strong bones. Vitamin D helps our body to absorb calcium and recommended for protecting against osteopenia, osteoporosis, and other bone diseases. Vitamin K2 supports bone health by modifying osteocalcin, a protein involved in bone formation. This modification enables osteocalcin to bind to minerals in bones and helps prevent the loss of calcium from bones. Consume foods high in omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fatty acids have been found to promote the formation of new bone, protect against bone loss in adults, and also well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Include yoga in your daily routine. If you want a seemingly surefire way to improve your bone density, and you have 6 minutes a day to spare, include yoga in your daily routine. Try tree, triangle, warrior two, side angle, twisted triangle, locust yoga poses. Also, weight-bearing exercises like running, walking, hiking, low-impact aerobics will help reduce the risk of fractures by improving muscle strength, balance, and coordination. Beside all of these, you should also change some lifestyle habits, like limit your caffeine intake, alcohol intake, and quit smoking. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video with your friends and family for a healthy lifestyle collection. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.